Hey guys, okie dokie. So excuse the state of my nails. I had a gardening injury and I took this one off last night because I was testing out my new toy. So I wanted to try the Efile from Femme Fatale nails. This is it. It's rechargeable and it has a carry case. So if you are a mobile tech, you can take this with you, and it has up to 5 hours of battery power on it. It's got the standard forward and reverse function. We're going to get it out the box and have a good look at it. Let me show you first. I thought this was really sweet. I haven't ordered from Femme Fatale nails before. I saw this on another YouTube channel and I think it's Tracy, but I can't remember, so I'm going to find out because I watch so many people now. I'm going to find out and I'm going to link it below for you so that you can have a proper look. The price point, it was £89.99. The price point is amazing because, you know, e-files are not cheap, okay? I got a couple of little freebies in with, look at this, just how sweet. Free sample, Femme Fatale nails, 100/100 grit file. Really sweet. It's attention to detail, in my opinion, it's attention to detail like this that sets a company aside from other companies. And I really appreciate this little touch because it's shiny and sparkly and pretty. And things like that just tickle me fancy. I also got some water decals again in a beautiful little organza bag. We got these nice lace ones and some floral ones. I thought they were really sweet. I love their logo actually. I love that. Yeah, my nails have had a beating. I did them like this for a wedding, and then since then we've been doing work on the salon and the garden, and I've really hurt this one. I've pulled it, it's coming up, I got it trapped, and my nail bed is so bruised, so I'm desperate to get these off. So this is the carry case. This all came beautifully packaged, not a mark on it, perfectly packaged, super fast delivery. Let me open this. So here is the case. That's where your little handy mechanism's going to go. And then there's a nice clip. And it's fully adjustable here. Okay, so that's that part. I know you all want to see it, I'm just putting it off. I'm like, ha ha ha. Beautiful logo on the front. Again, same picture on the side. Specifications are on the back of the box. Femme Fatale nails rechargeable e-file, 0 to 30,000 RPM, between 3 to 5 hours battery life. I guess that would depend on the speed you're using it at. Takes 3 hours to fully charge. This is really good, I'll show you this in a minute. And I like this, battery life is dependent on operation and power required during use. That makes complete sense, doesn't it? Complete sense. So let's take a look. I have had it out, I have played with it. Gonna just hold my hands up right now. Oh, I'll show you these in a second. These are not from Femme Fatale. So here is your main unit with the display screen. I will plug it in and show you. It's super lightweight, super duper lightweight, fits beautifully. And I like the fact that you have the buttons here, so you access the forward and reverse button from the side, and you can always see your power and your speed through the display screen here and the little gap in there. I like that. You can also access your functions here and here. So that's really cool, and I just think it's very good quality, this pack. It's quite firm. You know when something's nice quality, just feels different, doesn't it? Obviously you've got your rest for your hand part. I can't get my words out today. I've not had a very good sleep. So there's your power lead, and obviously your attachment here. It is lockable, lock changing. Do you see what I mean? So you literally just put your bit in and click. Okay. It's very, very light, but still feels like quality. This is what it comes with. So you've got a few little bits and sanding band, and obviously a mandrel bit there, which I've already attached. These are the bits that I got from Nail Dot Supplies, super fast delivery. So I did purchase these two bits from Nail Dot Supplies. Obviously the cuticle bit. I have tried it out, super gentle, super tickly. Super tickly! And I think this is a medium. It's not a safety bit, however the end kind of spirals in and it doesn't hurt. I've tried it on myself. Let's get this plugged in and I will show you what it all looks like set up. So my power lead is plugged in and switched off. This connection goes into this port here, straight in, simple. And then obviously to the hand piece here, it's easy to map to line up the dots there with the dots there. There we are. Okay, so now we will have power. My goodness me. That rests nicely in there. So we're going to switch it on in a sec. We'll just get this bit out and we will put in my bit and we'll take off one of my nails. We'll go for that. Attach it to where you want it. Make sure it's secure, make sure it's safe. You can see it's on, power's at 0, it's charging, the lights are green. I'm going to set my direction. Now let me quickly just snip my nail off and we can actually see this baby working. So I'm just going to, obviously don't want to file unnecessary bulk off, do we? So I'm going to clip where my natural nail is. Clip that side. Bye bye, beauties. Okay, so let's do an experiment and see how it works at what speed. I think that would be fun. Let's try, I know it goes up to 30, so how about we try at 10, okay? Just for whatsits and giggles. It's super quiet. The vibrating is minimal compared to things I've tried in the past when I first sort of started trying to use e-files. That was, don't even go there. Don't buy the really cheap ones, please. There's no point. Not very noisy at all. Okay, so it's on 10, which is a third of the speed. And I mean, that's working quite nicely there. Nice. Okay, I'm going to push that in a little bit because I kind of like it in a little bit more. There we go. Let's go up to say 20. Still really not that noisy in comparison to others. Let me just make sure I'm in shot here. And I'm not really placing any pressure on this at the moment. If I do, I mean, it can go for it, no doubt. That's really cutting into it nicely. I'm not getting any heat on the nail because I'm moving it nicely. Okay, let's try. We'll take it up. I don't think it needs it, to be fair. But let's max it out at 30, shall we? Oh, it feels, I mean, it's just higher pitched. It doesn't feel any worse, but that super gets the job done. And that's working wonderful. I'm going to take that down there. It's quite powerful. Okay, that's awesome. I mean, we're down to kind of, I'm starting to see through the colour. Whew! So, I mean, for the price point on this and how it feels to use, not everybody can afford to pay £250, £300 for an e-file initially, especially if you're new or if you just have a small clientele and work part-time. So I think it's really good to find a product that is good quality, affordable, but a decent product, you know, not kind of, you're not skimping and scraping. And I think this is bang slap where it should be, absolutely perfect. I would expect it to be priced higher, in all fairness. So I'm going to continue to remove my nails, and I guess I will see you in my next video. Tally bye!